Hi everyone, I'm Ryan Godin, your local Calgary real estate expert with MV Real Estate Group, RE/MAX First. Today we're diving into a topic that often comes up when buying or owning a condo, condominium fees. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned investor, understanding condo fees is essential to making informed decisions. Let's break down what these fees cover and how they impact your condo ownership in Calgary. What are condo fees? Condo fees, also known as strata fees, are monthly payments that condo owners make to cover the cost of maintaining and managing the shared spaces and services within the condominium complex. These fees ensure that everything from the lobby to the exterior of the building is well maintained and that the condo operates smoothly for all residents. A few key points to keep in mind. Condo fees are mandatory for all owners. They cover the cost of shared amenities and upkeep. Fees vary depending on the building and services provided. What do condo fees cover? So, what exactly do these fees cover? In most Calgary condo buildings, the fees typically include maintenance and repairs. This includes upkeep of shared areas like hallways, elevators, and the exterior of the building. It can also cover repairs to the common equipment like boilers or air conditioning systems. Utilities. In some buildings, utilities like water, heating, or even electricity are included in the condo fees. In townhouse-style condos, utilities are usually not included in the condo fee. Insurance. Condo fees cover the insurance for the building's exterior and common areas. However, it's important to take note that you'll still need personal condo insurance for your unit. Reserve fund contributions. A portion of your fees goes into the reserve fund, which is essentially a savings account for major repairs or replacements, like roof repairs or boiler replacements. Management fees. Many condo buildings have a professional management company that oversees day-to-day operations, and their services are also included in your condo fees. Factors that affect condo fees. Now, you might be wondering, why do condo fees vary so much from one building to another? Here are a few key factors that influence the amount you'll pay each month. Building size and age. Older buildings may require more maintenance, which can drive up fees. On the other hand, larger buildings with more units can sometimes spread costs across more owners. Amenities. Buildings with amenities like a gym, swimming pool, or concierge service typically have higher condo fees due to the increased upkeep costs. Reserve fund status. If a building has an underfunded reserve fund, owners may need to contribute more each month to catch up. Why condo fees are important. Although condo fees might seem like an extra cost, they actually serve a critical purpose in protecting the value of your property. Well-maintained common areas and a healthy reserve fund can help prevent surprise expenses and ensure that your building remains in top shape. It's also worth noting that a well-managed condo with reasonable fees is often more attractive to potential buyers down the road. Tips for buyers. What to look for in condo fees. When shopping for a condo, it's important to consider not just the fees, but what you're getting in return. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. Review the financials. Strongly consider a condominium document review condition in your offer to ensure the condo corporation is well managed. Understand what's included. Know exactly what's covered by the fees, like utilities or amenities, so you can budget accordingly. Watch for potential fee increases. Be aware of any planned fee increases due to upcoming repairs or shortfalls in the reserve fund. Condo fees might seem complex, but understanding them is key to making a smart investment in Calgary's real estate market. If you have any questions or need help navigating condo ownership, feel free to reach out. My email is ryan@calgarysagent.com. My phone number is 403-614-4711. You can also DM me on Facebook, just search Ryan Godin, or you can DM me on Instagram. My username is realtor Alberta. And even if you're not looking to buy or sell a home right now, but you want to learn more about the market, the process, and other mistakes to avoid and best practices to do, follow me on YouTube as I share a lot of educational content. Or again, just reach out. I love helping people, I love real estate, and thank you for watching.